Confusion is more expensive than failure. Let me repeat that. Confusion will cost you more than failing will ever do. Hey family, my name is Arus V. Osio, the Diaspora Chief, and I help Diaspora solopreneurs like you move from scattered hustle to structured impact. Today, I want to show you the real price of confusion, the money, the time, and energy is already draining from you, and how to stop paying the tax for good. I know this story because I have lived it. There was a time I was everywhere and nowhere. One week it was podcasting, the next week it was building new website, the other week it was chasing new niche, real estate. You get? And after buying tools, joining masterminds that I don't even need, at the end of it all that effort, no progress, but just exhaustion. I really felt I was moving, but I was just circling. And here's what I've learned. Confusion isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. It's a silent leak that empties your account, your energy, and your confidence. You don't need another course or guru. You are enough with what you already have and know. Let's talk about confusion tax and put numbers on it. Confusion costs you at least 4 ways. 1 is money. 2 is time. Those hours you spend switching from task to task, restarting project, and second-guessing yourself, procrastinating. Number 3 is momentum. Opportunities missed because you delayed or hesitated. Number 4 is confidence. Every half-finished project chips away your belief, mostly in yourself. But here's the punch. Confusion is not natural. It's a slow leak on your tires. You don't notice at first, but eventually you are stranded. And when I look back, confusion easily cost me thousands in money, but even more in time I can never get back. I'm 50 now, so stay with me. So why do so many diaspora solopreneurs stay in confusion? Too many options. Like back home, we don't have these options. We make lemonade from the one lemon we could find. We look for perfection. We're waiting for permission from friends and family or from the market. And for us in the diaspora, carrying expectations from two worlds, trying to please back home and please where you are, but you are committed to none. I know you know what I'm talking about. So stay with me, guys. The true cost of confusion is the time we waste trying to figure out stuff that does not actually move anything. Because sometimes when we say, I am still thinking about it, what we really mean is, I'm still scared to choose. But indecision is still a decision. We all know that. And it costs you every single day. Now let's flip it. Clarity is what changes everything. When you get clear on who you serve, what you offer, and how you show up, suddenly your energy compounds, decisions get made faster, your brand becomes sharper, clients find you easier. Clarity is the difference between scattered hustle and building structured performance. And as the Diaspora Chief, I've seen it again and again. The moment my client cuts through confusion, results multiplies. Clarity is just the first step. Execution, action is what builds momentum. That is why I always say get clear, get structured, then execute consistently for 90 days. One offer, one audience, one platform. Run that system for 90 days and watch your life look completely different. It's boring, I know, but stick with me. So if you're done paying the price for confusion, here is your next step. Join my 5-day clarity challenge. It's free. In just 5 days, we will audit your confusion, define your lane, and build a 90-day plan that gives you clarity and confidence. Then step into the 90 days execution club. My accountability community, where solopreneurs from the diaspora community like you stay consistent, execute weekly, and turn clarity into cash flow. Confusion has cost you a lot. It has cost you enough. Amara, I know you are listening. It's time to build with clarity, execute with discipline, and create impact with purpose. I am Victor Osio, the Diaspora Chief, and I will see you on the inside.